Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be reviewing Gusto, which is a well-known payroll service provider. Now, Gusto offers a range of features and services that can make payroll processing easier and more efficient, including online payroll processing, time tracking, and benefits administration. And so I'll be talking about Gusto's key features and services in detail, including its pricing, how Gusto works, and what kinds of drawbacks you need to know of, my personal experience with Gusto, and who I would recommend Gusto to. So let's get started. Also, if you're interested in Gusto, you'll find links in the description down below, and if I do find any discounts, I'll make sure to include them down there as well. Now, Gusto is a popular payroll service provider that has quickly gained a reputation as a reliable and user-friendly payroll service that serves a wide range of businesses, from small startups to larger enterprises. Gusto's mission is to make payroll, benefits, and HR tasks easier for businesses by offering a simple, intuitive platform that can handle all these tasks at once. Gusto is a platform that caters to the requirements of businesses regardless of their size, ranging from small startups to large corporations. It caters to various industries such as healthcare, hospitality, technology, and professional services. Also, Gusto's platform can be personalized to fit the unique needs of any business. Now, Gusto's online payroll processing is a crucial feature that enables users to manage payroll efficiently from any location with an internet connection. The platform offers the flexibility to run payroll according to the user's schedule and offers options to pay employees through direct deposit or paper checks. Additionally, Gusto's system ensures accuracy and compliance with tax laws and regulations, which minimizes the likelihood of expensive errors. In addition to payroll processing, Gusto also has a seamless time tracking tool that allows users to monitor their employees' hours. This integration ensures that employees receive accurate payment for their work and helps businesses avoid wage and hour compliance issues. Finally, Gusto's benefits administration services are comprehensive and include health insurance, retirement plans, and other employee benefits. It helps businesses in attracting and retaining high-quality talent by providing competitive and straightforward benefits packages. While payroll processing can be complicated and time-consuming for businesses, Gusto's streamlined system simplifies the process, saving time and reducing costs. This is why I use Gusto for my own business, as its payroll processing service is user-friendly, efficient, and enables me to save both my time and money. Gusto allows you to choose your own payroll schedule. It can be weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or any other frequency that works best for your business. Employees can be paid direct deposit or by check, and you can choose whether to print checks yourself or have Gusto handle the printing and mailing. This flexibility makes it really easy for businesses to choose the payment option that works best for them and their employees. Additionally, accuracy and compliance with tax laws and regulations are crucial when it comes to payroll processing, and Gusto takes this responsibility really seriously. Gusto uses advanced technology and automation to ensure that payroll is processed accurately and in compliance with all tax laws and regulations. They also handle all the necessary tax filings and payments, including federal, state, and local taxes. Additionally, Gusto offers you detailed payroll reports, making it really easy to track payroll expenses and ensure compliance with labor laws. In my own experience using Gusto, they assisted me in filing my taxes seamlessly despite my lack of knowledge in handling anything tax related. As someone who struggles with managing taxes independently, Gusto made the process really easy and problem-free for me. Now, Gusto's time tracking feature is a great tool for businesses to accurately track their employees' hours. This feature allows employees to log their hours worked on a daily basis, and employers can easily review and improve those hours before payroll processing. This helps to ensure that employees are paid accurately and on time, and also helps to prevent errors or discrepancies in the payroll process. Additionally, the time tracking feature integrates seamlessly with Gusto's payroll processing system. Once the hours are approved, they can be automatically added to the payroll and factored into employee paychecks, which simplifies the payroll process for businesses as there's no need for manual calculations or any data entry. Also, Gusto's time tracking feature offers a range of customization options, including the ability to set overtime rules, track sick and vacation time, and generate reports on employee hours worked. This makes it really easy for you to manage your employee time and ensure compliance with labor laws and regulations. Gusto also offers employee benefits administration, which helps businesses manage their employee benefits such as health insurance, 401k retirement plans, and other benefits packages. And so with Gusto, you can easily set up and manage benefits, add or remove employees from plans, and handle all the necessary paperwork, and also you can attract and retain top talent. Additionally, Gusto can handle all of the necessary administrative tasks associated with benefits, such as enrollment, plan setup, and ongoing maintenance. Gusto's easy-to-use platform allows employees to access their benefits information and manage their benefits elections online, saving time and reducing administrative work for businesses. Gusto has a straightforward pricing model that charges a base fee per month plus an additional fee per employee. The base fee includes access to Gusto's full suite of services such as payroll processing, time tracking, and benefits administration. Gusto doesn't have any hidden fees or surprises, and their pricing is easy to understand. However, if I do happen to find any discount links, I'll drop them in the description down below to help save you some money with your next purchase. Gusto offers multiple options for customer support. During business hours, you can access phone and email support, and there's a help center with articles and FAQs to address common inquiries. Gusto also has a community forum that facilitates connections amongst customers where they can share tips and advice. Now, just like any other service, there will be some drawbacks. One of the main drawbacks being that Gusto is not fit for larger businesses with more complex payroll needs. Gusto can handle payroll processing for businesses of all sizes, but it may not be best suited for businesses with, say, more than 100 employees or multiple locations. Another potential drawback is the lack of customizability in certain areas, such as time tracking and benefits administration. While Gusto offers a range of features in these areas, some businesses may prefer more flexibility to tailor these features to their specific needs. And finally, Gusto offers some integrations with other software and tools, but it may not integrate with all the tools that a business uses, which can make it more difficult in streamlined processes and workflows. Now, who would I recommend Gusto to? So far, with my experience with Gusto, the payroll processing has been incredibly simple and straightforward. I love how easy it was to set up and manage employee pay and benefits, and the integration with time tracking makes it all really easy. I also appreciated the level of accuracy and compliance with Gusto. I know that all the necessary tax filings and payments were taken care of, and I don't have to worry about missing anything important. Plus, the customer support team has been fantastic whenever I've had any questions or issues. And so, Gusto is the best payroll and HR solution for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an easy-to-use and affordable option. It can be especially beneficial for businesses that want to streamline their payroll processes, manage employee benefits, and keep track of time and attendance. Gusto is also a good fit for businesses that value excellent customer support and want to ensure compliance with tax laws and regulations. So to conclude, Gusto is an all-around trustworthy and user-friendly payroll service provider, offering a variety of features and services such as online payroll processing, time tracking, and employee benefits administration. Despite a few drawbacks, their pricing structure is open and reasonable, and they offer a wide range of customer support options, making it a top choice for your company. And so that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, feel free to leave a like. Let me know if you have any questions in the description down below, and subscribe because I've got a lot more payroll reviews on the way. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.